Have you ever looked at a simple ball of yarn and wondered about its potential? It's not just thread. It's a canvas waiting for a story. Welcome back, creative souls. Today, we're stepping into a world where patience meets fashion, and every single stitch tells a tale. I used to think clothing was just something we wore to get through the day. But then, I discovered the art of the handmade crochet blouse, and everything changed. Before we dive into this gorgeous collection of adorable designs that will absolutely upgrade your wardrobe, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button and join our cozy crafting family. Now, let's look at our very first pieces. There is a unique magic in wearing something that didn't just come off a factory assembly line. Take a look at this next design. Notice the delicate, breathable lace stitches. The story behind a blouse like this is all about mindfulness. In a world that moves so fast, taking the time to craft a piece like this, stitch by stitch, hour by hour, is a form of meditation. When you wear a piece with this much intricate detail, you aren't just wearing an outfit, you're wearing hours of dedication, focus, and passion. It's elegant, it's vintage, yet it feels entirely modern. But crochet isn't just about soft, quiet elegance. It's also the ultimate tool for bold self-expression. This next part of our collection features designs that scream confidence. Look at these rich textures and playful color combinations. The story here is about pure joy. I remember working on a vibrant design similar to this one during a rainy afternoon, and just watching the bright colors come together completely shifted my mood. Crochet has the power to do that. These adorable puff sleeves and modern cuts prove that crochet blouses can be incredibly trendy, playful, and perfect for a fun day out. Every single blouse in this collection started as nothing more than a single thread and a dream. And that is the true beauty of crochet. It turns the ordinary into the extraordinary. Whether you're a seasoned maker looking for your next project, or someone who simply appreciates the immense beauty of handmade fashion, I hope these designs inspired you today. Which of these adorable blouses was your absolute favorite? Let me know in the comments below, because I read and reply to every single one. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it brought a little inspiration to your day, and share it with a friend who loves beautiful style. Until next time, keep creating, stay cozy, and I'll see you in the next video.